In this video, we will show you how to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. You can see here we have some data look like this, and we want to highlight the duplicate. In this case, the duplicate is just 2 in the is text and is text here. And this is should be highlight because there is duplicate values. How to do duplicates? You can just block the data look like this, and then you can click format and select conditional formatting. And in here you have this range A1 until H6, and select the format rules in the custom formula. On your custom formula, you need to using this formula COUNTIF, then copy this range. After that, you can put the start checking from A1 because we block from A1 in here. Then in here, in this case, we check if the data more than 1, so it should be highlighted with the red color. And why this not highlight? Because we don't use the dollar logo yet. You can see there, because this is the most important. This dollar logo in here function to have check the next and before the cell. So if you don't using the dollar logo, it will not to be highlight like that. Then the formula is look like this. You highlight the range with dollar logo and starting from A1 and checking if the data is more than 1, so it should be highlight like this, and click done. Now you are done to highlight the duplicates values in Google Sheets. Hope this video helpful for you.